Hello! Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, or gabi po sa inyong lahat. Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements, mga madam and sir. Kamusta po kayo? I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. So in today's video, alamin natin kung ano ang magiging kapalaran ng ating Virgo signs sa buwan ng September sa 2023. Ayan. Parang kinakapos ako ng hininga. Ano ba? Bakit ba? But anyways, bago ako magsisimula, Virgo, gusto ko lang i-announce, no? Nagbago ng ating setup, okay? Sa ating channel. Gusto ko lang ipakita yung mga available na mga items, okay? Sa mga gustong bumili ng ating all-in-one powerful necklace. May stone po siya. Okay? This is the green fluorite. Ang ganda po nito. Ang ganda. Okay? So, may gusto mag-avail nito, message lang po kayo. This is 1,050 pesos. May kasamang ritual syempre na gagawin para sa all-in-one pangkalahatan. Okay? Powerful stone yan. Okay? Ding! Ang bato! O, diba? Okay, bato po yan. Green fluorite. Ang ganda, diba? Ding! Ang bato! Kasi sino gusto maging Darna? O, hindi yan lulukunukin na. Diyos ko, my God. Hindi yan pwedeng lunukin. Okay. Ayan. Meron din tayong crystal bracelet. Gold-plated. Mga madam, ang ganda nito. Promise. Hindi kayo magsisising bumili. Okay? Hindi ako nagsisi na bumili nito. Okay. Galing sa US po itong mga to. Okay? Ayan. Ito, hindi to galing US. Galing lang, dito lang to sa Pilipinas. Okay? Philippine made po yan mga madam. Okay? Ito, galing sa US. Okay? Meron tayong pink opal. Meron tayong, sana yung listahan? Blue agate ato to. Wait lang. Hanapin ko yung ano. Basta ang alam ko, this is sunstone. Ito paid na ha. This is fire agate, I think. And this is lapis lazuli. Okay, sold na yung isa. This is milky quartz. This is amethyst. Isa na lang natitira sa strawberry quartz. Sold na yung dalawa. Okay, you have the aquamarine. You have the purple rhodonite. Dalawa lang to. Yung isa sa akin to. Very rare kasi to na stone. Ito, this is... Nakalimutan ko yung stone na to. Okay, search ko. Actually, sa akin tong tatlo kasi very small siya. Small siya mga madam. Okay? Ayan. Yan lang po ang available. Okay, that is 950. Ito, the rest, 700 pesos each. Mga Hamsa, Evil Eye, bracelet po yung mga yan. Available sa Shopee. Alright! Uy, bago yan, Virgo. Gusto ko lang i-announce, mamimigay po ako ng items. Okay? Paunahan kayo mag-comment sa baba. Again, mag-reply. Pag nireplyan ko kayo na ikaw winner, ibigay mo sa akin yung email ad dito sa mag-reply ka sa dito sa YouTube. Kasi daming magki-claim na siya yung nanalo sa YouTube. Okay? Paano ako makakasiguro na ikaw talaga yung nanalo? Okay, maraming scammers ngayon mga madam. May nag-PM sa may nag-message, tatlo sila nag-message sa akin sa Leo, nag-claim daw sila dahil nanalo sila. Sabi ko, ma'am, yung na-replyan ko lang yung nanalo kasi iisa lang to. Sa isang zodiac sign, isang evil eye ang bibigyan ko ng leave free, okay? Paunahan kayo sa comment ng code. Kaya yun, walang nanalo kasi si ma'am, hindi pa siya nagre-reply sa message ko na ibigay nyo sa akin yung email ad kasi doon ko ibibigay yung code number na i-send nyo sa akin sa messenger, sa Facebook page para malaman ko na siya talaga ang karapat-dapat na mag-claim nito. Kasi pwede mo namang sabihin na hindi yun naman malalaman ni Ma'am Angel na ako yung hindi ako yung nag-comment na first comment. So, pwede niyong sabihin sa akin na, Ma'am, ako yung first nag-comment. O, anong patunay? O, diba? So, ayan ha. Okay, ang rule dito. First, ang unang maka-comment ng code, mamaya. Maya-maya lang, few seconds, sasabihin ko yung code. Paunahan kayo na mag-comment nito. Kung sino yung unang makapag-comment ng tamang code ha. Wrong spelling, wrong ha. Ang daming nagko-comment ng able. Dapat evil. Evil na E-V-I-L. Hindi able. Ang yung iba kasi nakikita ko. Mine able I. A-B-L-E. So, ayan. Kahit una ka na-comment kung wrong spelling naman. Okay? So, check your spelling. Ayan. So, unang mga-comment, dapat abangan nyo yung reply ko. Kasi congratulate kita. Sabihin ko, congratulations, ikaw lang nanalo. Please, isend mo sa akin yung email address mo para dun ko sasabihin sa'yo yung instruction para paano mo maklaim to. Wala kayong babayaran kundi shipping fee lang. Magkano lang naman ang shipping fee? 100 pesos kumpara dito. This is, kung bibilihin nyo to, this is worth 700. O sayang din yung 700. O, diba? Ayan. Say. Pauna na kayo ng comment. Okay? Mine, evil eye, Virgo. Mine, evil eye, Virgo. Okay? Ayan. Congratulations sa unang magko-comment ng tamang sagot. Wrong spelling, wrong ha. Okay. Alright, Virgo. Ano ang kapalaran ng ating Virgo sa buwan ng September? Kahit hindi ka Virgo, pwede kang mag-claim, pwede kang sumali sa Okay. Abangan nyo yung ibang mga susunod na readings ko kasi kada reading mamimigay ako ng mga evil eye bracelet item. Okay. Ayan. Ito, wala to sa mga binibenta ko ha. Okay, wala to sa mga binibenta ko. Panglibre lang to. Pang pag-games lang, pamimigay lang, pang giveaways lang ito. Pang pag-games lang. Ito, wala to sa mga display rack ko. Okay, iba yung pamimigay ko, iba. Iba yung mga binibenta ko, items. Okay? Baka sabihin nyo, ay, hindi na lang ako bibili, hindi na lang sana ako bumili kung namimigay lang din si ma'am ng mga items. Iba pong items ang binibigay ko. Wala po sa binibenta ko. Okay? Alright, Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement. Kapalaran. Ooh, you have the Temperance. You have the Death card. You have the Knight of Pentacles. First week of September. Second week of September, you have the Ace of Swords. You have the Ten of Pentacles. Ooh, you have the Six of Wands. Grabe. Okay, third week of September, you have the Magician. Grabe talaga. Okay. You have the Three of Wands. You have the Devil. Okay. Last week of September, you have the Knight of Cups. You have the Five of Cups. And you have the Page of Cups. Okay. Overall theme for the month. Virgo, meron ka bang pinag-iipunan? A lot of you, meron kayong pinag-iipunan sa September. And I'm guessing, a lot of you, Virgo, yung iba sa inyo pinag-iipunan nyo yung iPhone. Pinag-iipunan nyo yung bagong release ng iPhone 15. Tama ba? Very specific yun ha. Yan ang pumasok sa akin. Basta may pinag-iipunan kayo. It could be car, it could be phone, it could be anything. But mostly, karamihan napipick up ko energy. Kahit yung mga hindi nanonood ngayon, a lot of you, pinag-ipunan nyo yung bagong release ng iPhone 15. September or October. Yan ang nakikita ko. But most of all, this is an energy where meron kang pinag-ipunan na pera. Okay? But let's see. Confirm natin to yung iba. Basta ito yung main energy mo, overall theme mo sa buwan ng September. Okay, let's see. Okay, so first week of September, Virgo, you have the Temperance, you have the Death card, and you have the Knight of Pentacles. I feel like first week of September, ang daming mga changes na mangyayari sa buhay ninyo. Okay? Some of you'll be going through some transformation, big changes in your life. Okay? So with this, you have the archangel with you. You have your guardian angel with you, guiding you, okay? Guiding you through this transition or changes na mangyayari sa inyo first week of September, Virgo. Now, with the Knight of Pentacles, first week of September, mukhang kailangan yung mag-save, mag-ingat sa mga gastusin kasi mukhang may mga delays when it comes to money. May mga delays or mabagal ang takbo pagdating sa kaperahan, finances, or business with the Knight of Pentacles. Okay? So, take a methodological approach and you'll achieve your dreams. So, ayan. Mag-conserve. Mag-save some money. Huwag masyadong magastos or huwag ibigay lahat. Basta mag-ingat sa mga finances. Kaperahan ninyo first week of September kasi mukhang it's either out of balance kayo with the Four of Pentacles here being your overall theme of being overall energy for the month. Kailangan yung mag-ipon ng pera. Baka maubusan kayong, mahihirapan kayong i-budget with this 10 of Wands. Okay? Ma-stress kayo sa pera sa buwan ng September. So, advice dito is take in moderation. Take moderation in dealing with finances, kaperahan, pagbibigay, allowance, or whatever. Kung ano man yan. Okay, Virgo? Just anything regarding money. Now, second week of September, this is good news. You have the Ace of Swords, the 10 of Pentacles, and the 6 of Wands. Okay? I think you will achieve something great here. Second week of September, you will achieve some breakthrough. You will feel successful. Okay, you have a breakthrough. Some of you, I feel like there is this energy na meron kang sasabihin importanteng idea or news or meron kang importanteng sasabihin sa buong pamilya mo. Okay? And you will be, it feels like you want to earn that respect. Okay, coming from your family, there is the need of you wanting to say what's on your mind and gusto mo papakinggan ka. Okay, but overall, when it comes to this energy, I feel like you will be successful regarding your career. Okay, some of you will receive some promotion. Regarding with regards to your relationship, family, and love life, you want to be heard. There is this need of I want to be heard. Gusto kong sabihin sa kanila anong mga sasaloobin ko. And you will be respected for that. Okay? Papakinggan ka nila. But with regards to career, money, and business, this looks really good. You will, magkaka-idea ka, magkakaroon ka ng light bulb moments second week of September na makakapagbigay or magbibigay ng malaking pera sa'yo. Kumbaga, makakaisip ka ng paraan paano magkapera ng malaki. To the point na kaya mo nang matulungan ang pamilya mo. The kind of money na malaking papasok na ito na yung inaantay nyo, kumbaga. Okay? Pwede nyo nang spoiled ng mga pamangkin mo, makabili ng house and lot, bahay, kotse, whatever you want. You will feel so proud with yourself. Okay? Now, third week of September, you have the Magician, the Three of Wands, and the Devil. I feel like a lot of you, Virgo, okay, around third week of September, you feel that you want to achieve something great. Parang feeling mo, because nangyari na to, dito pa lang second week, diba, mayroon kang naisip na idea. Paano matulungan ang pamilya mo, relatives, extended family. This 10 of Pentacles, this is family. Family, relatives, kay kamag-anak. Okay, kapatid, pamangkin, apo, lahat na yun extended. Because of that idea, you are confident in yourself that you want to expand. You want to achieve. You are this. 3 Wands is these 2 cards screaming confidence and courage and hopeful energy na ma-achieve mo. Kaya lang, andito yung devil. May mga toxic energy na pumapaligid sa iyo. So, some of you may be blocked. You have the courage, you have the confidence, you have an idea on how to achieve this 10 of Pentacles. But then, maybe you are surrounded with toxic family, toxic relationship, toxic, I don't know, negative dark entities surrounded na naka-block, magkakaroon ng blockages sa yung mga what you're trying to achieve in life, what you're trying to achieve, what your goals are, what you're trying to, the goals that you want to achieve in life. Okay? You're so inspired to do this. May kakayahan ka, may confidence ka, you have the tools, everything is ready, something like that. But then, you have this energy, this devil. So, ano kaya to? I can't say very specifically because this is a general reading. Okay? So, maybe you have a blockages. Meron kayong ancestral karma. Merong sumpa. Mostly this talks about sumpa. Kaya hindi ka umuusad with the Three of Wands. Kasi with the Magician, this is saying that you want to achieve greatness in life, Virgo. But because of this ancestral curse na nangyari, and by the way, speaking of ancestral curse, maybe you need this, okay? Available pa rin siya, okay? This is 1,900 pesos. Pangtanggal sa sumpa ng iyong angkan. Maybe this is the reason why andun na, malapit ka na sa finishing line, and then biglang may something nangyari na hindi mo makamtan. May magkakaproblema, something like that. May mangyari hindi maganda. So, hindi mo ma-achieve tong 10 of Pentacles. The kind of money, like let's say, mga Aquino, mga Henry C, mga Ayala, that kind of people who are very rich. Okay? Yan ang nakikita ko, Virgo, di ba? Kayamanan in your wildest dreams. Okay, lahat naman tayo. Okay? Mostly. Okay, yung iba, hindi. Simple lang gustong buhay. Now, last week of September, for those of you who are dealing with love life, relationship, mag-ingat because I feel like, especially if you are dealing with a manliligaw, if you are in a relationship, mag-ingat because you might end up disappointed last week of September. Some of you will realize na niloloko ka lang ng tao nito. This person is a playgirl, manloloko, playgirl, playboy, okay? May third party, may ibang nililigawan, or hindi ka pinapansin. So you'll end up disappointed because you have the Knight of Cups. Or maybe this is your Virgo. For some of you, mababasted kayo if meron kayong liligawan. Okay? Something like that. So, when it comes to love life, but if you're not dealing with love life, you are already married, and okay naman, okay, huwag niyong i-take to kasi this will not resonate with you. Sa mga tao lang na, yun nga, may ka-date ngayon, nasa dating stage pa lang sila, nanliligaw pa lang, baka later, ma-realize mo na niloloko ka lang, mahuhuli mo na meron pa lang siyang ibang ini-entertain sa social media. Ayan, madi-disappoint ka. Okay, the message here, Virgo, is to not hold on to something na doesn't serve you anymore. Especially if this person is not the kind of person na dapat mong pagkatiwalaan, because Knight of Cups and Page of Cups, these two cards, screaming, playboy, and manloloko. Okay? Kung sino-sino na lang ino-offeran niya ng ligaw, ganun. Kasi ang mga cups kasi, yan ang mga taong immature, playboy, charming. Ayan, totoo. Gwapo, maganda, sexy, very appealing. Yan nga, manloloko. Okay? So, mag-ingat. Di sila loyal. Iba itong Knight of Pentacles. Sila mostly ang mga loyal and determined and talagang pwede mong very reliable. Ito hindi unreliable itong mga water signs. I'm sorry now. Maybe you're dealing with a water sign, Virgo, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, with this Knight of Cups and Page of Cups. Okay? So, ayan. So, mag-ingat. So, Virgo, Sun, Rising, and Venus placements, yan po ang maging kapalaran ninyo. Let me know in the comments if nag-resonate. Pwede kayong bumalik and i-confirm na nagkatotoo yung hula sa'yo or yung kapalaran. Okay? So, Virgo, again, congratulations dun sa mare-replyan ko mamaya, later or bukas. Okay? Virgo, Sun, Rising, and Venus signs. I'll see you next time po. God bless, more power, and ingat. Paalam!